Hello guys, now we are going to continue with the tutorials. Okay, right now, so we are done with the front, that's the design of the hero section, and right now we are going to look at how to make settings at the WooCommerce, and then we are going to look at tags. Okay, how to tax our customers, how to add tags to our WooCommerce plugin, so WooCommerce settings, so that we'll be able to tax our customers when they buy the product from us. So without wasting much time, let's go to WooCommerce, then let's go to settings. Okay, so the settings here, first let's look at products, or let's go to general in case you have not done that. So we have not done that, let's go to general first. Okay, so make sure that everything is okay. So here country or state, you can select your country, your region. Okay, let me say, put it in that way. You can add other address. Okay, address 2 is not that important. The zip code can be 00233 for Ghana. Okay, and selling location, here you have to select the country that you want to sell your product to. Okay, so let's say I want to sell my product to a specific country, so I can say set to specific country. If you leave it set to all countries, it means that any person in a different country can buy a product on your platform. But if you select a specific country and you select, let's say, Ghana, if the person is outside Ghana, the person will not be able to place an order. Okay, so I will go with a specific country. Okay, good. And here, set to specific country, you have to enter the name of the country. This time I want to set to only Ghanaians. Okay, good, and that's it. So if you want to set to 5 countries, you have to enter the names of the country here. Good. Shipping location, ship to countries you set to, that is okay, and this one is okay. So here we have to enable tax. Okay, we have to enable tax, and after that we can go down here and save it. Once you do that, you see a tab, tax tab here. Let's go to product and see if everything is fine. So for the products, it's okay. So let's go to tax. Don't change anything here. So this is a setting that we are going to do. So here, the tax, yes, I will. So let's look at price, enter with tax. Yes, I will enter price, include of tax. No, I will enter price, exclude of tax. Okay, good. So that's what we are going to do so that we can add the tax. So leave these options. Okay, so subtotal level. Okay, so that depends on the number of orders. Okay, good. So you can check this, and let's look at all. You can leave it so that it will be calculated per product. Okay, so here, this is what we are going to do. We have 2 tags here. This is by default, reduce rates and 0 rate. Okay, what's the name of the tax? Let's make it tax. Okay, so in Ghana here we don't have reduced rate. We have something like VAT, tax. Okay, so let's make it VAT tax. I don't even, okay, so let's make it VAT. Okay, okay, so this one here, this is 10%. Okay, the VAT is 10%. That's the name of the tax. Okay, that's what I have, or I want to name it. Okay, so that is we have, or let me make it 5%, and this one is going to be VAT 10%. Let me leave a space, 10%, and this one is 5%. So go down here and save that. Okay, after that you see we have the VAT, and then the 10% one, the 10% rate, and the 5%. This is what we are going to do. So click on the 10% one. Okay, so we are going to make some changes here. Insert row. Okay, so here when you click insert, you get this. Okay, the country, let's see. Okay, so here enter GH. So you see Ghana, then you pick it. Okay, that's it. Country code is not important. The postcode, city, the rate is what? This one is what? 10. So you make it 10. Just put 10 there. Okay, good. And then name is what? The name is I think we should make it tax. Okay, tax 10. Okay, so that is tax 10. So I'll go back and change the name from there. So the rest is okay. So let's see. This one is 1. Okay, so on shipping. So after that, come back here and save a change. Okay, so let's go back to rates. 5 rates, and here we will insert, and here too, if you are, so for Ghana, GH, and you just come here and select Ghana. So as I said earlier, here is what? 5. You just put 5 there, and the name is what? Tax, and it's 5. Okay, we are done. So save. Okay, so now let's go back. We are done with everything. Let's go back to tax option. Okay, so here let's make it tax. Okay, instead of the VAT, let's make it tax. So tax, and save it now. Okay, so now it's now tax here. We can see that. So far so good. We have done the tax. So in case if you want to add 15%, 20%, this is just per this for this tutorial. I just want to show you how to go about it. But if you want to do it in a different way, you can just go ahead and do it. The standard rate, we can also add a standard rate there. And let's say we can put something at the standard rate. Let's see. So the standard here, country code GH. And I'll select the Ghana. Standard rate, let's make it something like 2%. Okay, so tax 2. Then I will save that. Okay, it's not compulsory to add a standard rate. I just want to add a standard rate. Okay, good. So that is, but before you add your tax, you have to find out from the tax, the percentage before, or the rate before you can add it. Okay, make sure you find out about the rate first. There's just tutorial to guide you on how to do the settings. So far so good. Okay, all that I can say for now is thank you for watching. In our next video we will look at how to add the shipping.